వెల్కమ్ టు హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఏపీ మరియు తెలంగాణలో బెస్ట్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్గా ప్రజెంట్ హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అవుతుంది. అలానే మంచి మొబైల్ యాప్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్, దీంట్లో ఫ్రీగా అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి, చూసుకోండి.
Welcome to Harshit Institute. Today we are going to be learning about the current affairs regarding our competitive examination. The first one is Prime Minister launched Atma Nirbhar Bharat App Innovation Challenge. in our topics, the first one is Prime Minister recently launched Atma Nirbhar Bharat App Innovation Challenge. This is the most important app for building an Atma Nirbhar using a digital technologies. And an app innovation challenge was launched on 4th July 2020 by the Prime Minister of Narendra Modi. So it is a very important. App innovation challenge is an initiative by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So recently the app was introduced by inaugurated by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And the second one is AIR starts its first ever Sanskrit news program, Sanskrit Saptaki. This is one kind of a program, Sanskrit Saptaki. The program was started by Air India, AIR. AIR means All India Radio. It started recently. It was started. That is one kind of a Sanskrit program, Sanskrit news program. The program name is Sanskrit Saptaki. From July 4th, 2020, All India Radio, AIR means All India Radio, FM news channel will be broadcasting its first ever news program in Sanskrit language for 20 minutes duration. With that 20 minutes duration, they are starting one kind of a program. It is a purely Sanskrit program by the broadcasting by AIR. AIR means All India Radio. All India Radio has named the news program is Sanskrit Saptaki. Will broadcast every Saturday. It will be broadcasting every Saturday. Repeat broadcast will be available on Sundays also. So Saturday and Sundays, in these 2 days, the AIR is going to be broadcast this program. This program is Sanskrit Saptaki. This is the most important program. It is the first time in our India. Next one is Varthavali. You know very well. Varthavali was completed by 5 years of continuous broadcast. This is the Varthavali. The Varthavali is one kind of, it is also one Sanskrit program, Sanskrit broadcasting program. Varthavali completed 5 years of continuous broadcast on 4th July 2020. DT News has completed 5 years of the continuous broadcast of Sanskrit news magazine Varthavali. So that's why our Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated DT News for the completion of this successful 5 years. Next important news is elephant deaths in Botswana. The third one is elephant deaths in Botswana. If you are observing one news, in the past 2 months, hundreds of elephants have died mysteriously in Botswana. It is one country in South Africa. So several live elephants appear to have been weak and skeletal, some showing difficulty to walk or limping. Botswana, it is a landlocked country in Southern Africa. It is a landlocked country. It is a 70% territory is covered by Kalahari Desert. So Botswana has the world's largest elephant population, estimated to be 1,30,000. 1,30,000 elephants are living in Botswana country. Botswana is the southern part of South Africa. Recently, it was a mystery. It was why the elephants are going to be died. They can't understand. So hundreds of elephants are recently died in this area. It is a mysterious event in Botswana. So this is also one important news. Next one more thing. Botswana has the world's largest elephants population. So it has the largest elephant population area country is Botswana. That name is also very important. And the next one is Important news, Himachal Pradesh plans to provide 100% HFTC. 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 Here, HFTC. What is meant by HFTC? Okay, Himachal Pradesh plans to provide 100% to all rural households by August 2022. Here, what is the program? What is the program? On 4th July 2020, during a video conference with the Union Minister of Jal Shakti regarding the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission in Himachal Pradesh, the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, Jairam Thakur has stated that the state government of Himachal Pradesh is planning to provide 100% coverage of functional household tap connection. This is a functional. F means functional household tap connection. Sorry, FHTC, functional household tap connection. This program is going to be complete within short period. So, the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, Jairam Thakur, has stated that the state government of Himachal Pradesh is planning to provide 100% coverage of functional household tap connection to all rural households in the state by August 22. So the target is before August 22, the 100% of households they will get the tap connections. Next, Jal Jeevan Mission. What is meant by Jal Jeevan Mission? Under the Jal Jeevan Mission, the central government has set a target to provide every rural household in the country with the facility of functional household tap connection water by 2024. This is the target to the central government. 2024 is the target to the central government, but Himachal Pradesh target is 2022 August. 2022 August is the target for the Himachal Pradesh, and 2024 is the target for the Union government. What is the program? FHTC means functional households tap connections. That means this is the meaning. It is the one kind of a program in Jal Jeevan Mission. Next one is it was recently, not only now, the before the 73rd Independence Day, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi was announced this Jal Jeevan Mission. Next, for achieving the target to provide every rural household in the country with an FHTC by 2024 already will end. How much amount they are going to be spent? That is also most important. Rupees 3.5 lakh crores. 3.5 lakh crores they are going to be spent. Here the important thing is 3.5. The figure is very, very important. 3.5 lakh crores they are going to be spent for this program. Okay. Rupees 3.5 lakh crore will be spent. This amount was announced by our Prime Minister. Next, another important issue, another important current affair thing. Our Vice President recently announced one social media app. What is the app? What is the importance of that app? We have to learn now. Vice President to launch Elements. The name is very, very important. Elements on 5th July, first Indian social media super app. This is the first Indian social media app. It was inaugurated. It was launched by our Vice President under the inspiration of a spiritual leader, Sri Ravi Shankar, founder of the Art of Living. More than 1,000 IT professionals came together to develop the first made in India social media super application. The application is called Elements. Elements will be launched by 5th July 2020 by our Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu. The application is developed by Sumeru Software. That is very, very important. Sumeru Software. Sumeru. This application Elements, this is the one kind of a Indian mobile app. It is recently it was inaugurated by our our Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu. This application, the application is developed by Sumeru Software Solutions Private Limited. The Elements was designed by combining the best and popular features of the commonly used social media applications. The application will be available in 8 languages. This element is available now. It is available in 8 languages. 8 languages. So this is also very important. Here, Sumeru. The word is very important. Sumeru. Also, at the same time, how many languages? 8 languages. Sumeru Software Solutions Private Limited. Sumeru Software Solutions Private Limited. It was developed by them only. Next one is NLC and Coal India to form JVC for developing solar and thermal power assets. Another issue is another important issue. Elements is very important. It is the most important app. It was developed by our Indians, the most important persons. It was developed. So NLC and Coal India to form JVC for developing solar and thermal power assets. Here, Navaratna Company of Government of India, NLC, India Limited. We know very well Maharatna companies and Navaratna companies. And in this NLC is NLC. What is meant by NLC? I will explain later. Here, Navaratna Company of Government of India, NLC Limited, has signed an agreement with Maharatna Company Coal India Limited to form a joint venture company JVC. So, JVC. Here, two companies we have to remember: CIL, NLC and CIL. Recently, they are gathered and they have signed about the one agreement to produce the thermal power. Next one, to form a joint venture company JVC for developing a solar thermal power assets. Both NLC and Coal India will have equal 50-50 share. This was informed on 3rd July 2020 by the NLC. Next, solar and thermal power assets of 5,000 megawatts or 5 gigawatts will be developed by the joint venture company. The joint venture company will be set up under the Ministry of Coal. Next, what is meant by NLC India Limited? Next, here NLC India Limited incorporated in the year 1956. NLC in 1956. It was incorporated in 1956. NLC India Limited, his headquarters is in Tamil Nadu, Neyveli. The company was earlier known as Neyveli Lignite Corporation. NLC means Neyveli Lignite Corporation. The company has earlier known as Neyveli Lignite Corporation Limited. It is a wholly owned company by the government of India. Next, Coal India Limited. What is meant by Coal India Limited? What is the importance of Coal India Limited? Coal India Limited was founded on 1st November 1975 and is the largest coal producing country in the world. That is the most important. So, Coal India Limited was founded on 1st November 1975. CIL 1975. CIL was founded in 1975 and is the largest coal producing. It is one of the largest company in India to coal producing. Its headquarters is in Kolkata. Next, another important issue regarding our current affairs. Maharashtra government and UKIPC. Maharashtra government and UKIBC. UKIBC. Science MOU. Memorandum of Understanding. MOU means we know very well Memorandum of Understanding. A Memorandum of Understanding was signed virtually on 4th July 2020 between the non-profit organization UKIPC, UK India Business Council. Council. UK IPC means UK means United Kingdom. UK means United Kingdom. IPC means India Business Council. India Business Council. The MIDC Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation. Here MIDC is the Maharashtra government's premier agency for industrial infrastructure development. Next, UK IPC is UK Indian Business Council. UK IPC headquarters is in London and was founded in 1993. It was founded in 1993 to foster, promote and increase the business relations, the bilateral trade between the two countries, the United Kingdom as well as India. Next one, the Mangalyaan capture image of Mars' biggest natural satellite, Phobos. Here, what is meant by Phobos? What is the importance of the Phobos? So, Mangalyaan. What is the importance of Mangalyaan? Recently, Mangalyaan captured image of Mars, biggest natural satellite, Phobos. Okay, Mangalyaan captures image of Mars, biggest natural satellite Phobos. The image of Phobos was captured from distance of 4,200 kilometers and Mars orbit mission. Here generally we are calling Mangalyaan, but the real name is Mars orbit mission. The Mangalyaan mission was launched on 5th November 2013. We know very well, 2013, 5th November, the mission was started, the mission was launched. From the launch pad of Satish Dhawan Space Center located in Andhra Pradesh, Barrier Island, Sriharikota. The mission was launched by the rocket PSLV C-25. It enters the orbit of Mars successfully, the first attempt on 24th September 2014. Next, natural satellites of Mars. Phobos and the Deimos. These two are the natural satellites to the Mars. Next, both the moons of Mars were discovered by Helen. He only discovered in the year 1877. Phobos is the 7 times larger than Deimos. Next, Phobos orbit at around 6,000 kilometers from the surface of the Mars, and while Deimos orbit at around 23,460 kilometers from the surface of the Mars. Therefore, Phobos referred to as the inner natural satellite of Mars, whereas Deimos is the outermost. Next one, Youth Affairs and Sports Ministry will launch TOPS for junior athletes. Here, TOPS, TOPS. What is meant by TOPS? Recently, in order to groom youth athletes, to develop the youth athletes, to increase their performance to the youth athletes, the country for the upcoming Olympics 2014 in Paris, 2024 in Paris, and 2028 in Los Angeles. Once again I will tell you, in order to groom youth athletes in the country for the upcoming Olympics of 2024 Paris, and 2028 in Los Angeles. The Union Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports will launch Target Olympic Podium Scheme. That is the TOPS. Target, here you have to remember the abbreviation of that word, TOPS. TOPS means Target Olympic Podium Scheme. Here, target, T means target, Olympic Podium Scheme, TOPS. This is the one kind of a program. It was launched by our Union Ministry. Next, this was informed by Kiran Rijiju. Here, the Union Minister of State in charge for the youth affairs for the sports. Next, during the launch of the Fit to High and Hit to High program, the objective of the scheme will be ensure that the efforts are being made so that the India finished in the top 10 of the overall medals tally at the 2028 Olympics. Next, another important thing. This is also a very important. TOPS. What is meant by TOPS? Who inaugurated the TOPS? And the evaluation of the TOPS and the Olympics in 2024, when the Olympics is going to be conducting, and 2028 and the Olympics where they are going to be conducting. That is also very important in our examination point of view. At the same time, Fit High to Hit High India program, already we learned that one in the previous classes. Next one is world's largest COVID-19 treatment facility inaugurated in New Delhi. This is also very important. World's largest COVID-19 treatment facility inaugurated in New Delhi. 10,000 beds, 10,000 bed Sardar Patel COVID Care Center and Hospital was inaugurated in New Delhi on 5th July 2020. It is called SPCCCH. SPCCCH. Here, SPCCCH is the world's largest COVID-19 treatment and care facility. It was inaugurated by Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Anil Baisal. Anil Baisal. SPCCH means Sardar Patel. SP means Sardar Patel. C means COVID Care Center. Triple C is there. CCC means COVID Care Center and Hospital. COVID Care Center and Hospital. The infrastructure of the 10,000 bed facility was created in record time of 10 days. SPCCH is built on the campus of a spiritual organization, Radha Somai Satangvis. Next, Indo-Tibetan Border Police. He is chosen as the nodal agency for operating the center. So it is very important bit. The nodal agency for this hospital is Indo-Tibetan Border Police. Indo-Tibetan Border Police is the this is the most important. Why? Because it is chosen as a nodal agency. It is chosen as a nodal agency. The facility will also provide for the center recreation for patients, books, skipping rope, games, and so many things are there. These are the common in that hospital. Next one is Intizar Aapka. Intizar Aapka. This is one kind of a campaign. It is one kind of a campaign. It was conducted by the Madhya Pradesh government, Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board. Okay, in order to attract tourists in the state, the Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board has started a social media campaign. Social media campaign. The name of the campaign is Intizar Aapka. Intizar Aapka, meaning waiting for you. Intizar Aapka means in Hindi Intizar Aapka, but in English its meaning is waiting for you. The campaign will be conducted by describing the characteristics of the tourism destinations of Madhya Pradesh through photographs and videos. Recently, the Tourism Development Corporation of Madhya Pradesh has also started food home delivery services in 3 cities. Through the campaign, the Tourism Board aims to establish the confidence back the tourism sector. So, these are the most important events regarding our current affairs part. So, in this class, today we learn the Prime Minister launched once again. Within 1 minute, we will be recollect all these things. The Prime Minister launched Atmanirbhar Bharat app innovation challenge, and the second one is Air Starts. It's the first ever Sanskrit news program, Sanskrit Saptaki, and elephant deaths in Botswana, and Himachal Pradesh plans to provide 100% FHTC to all rural households by August 2022, and Vice President to launch Elements on 5th July, first Indian social media super app, and the next one is NLC and Coal India to form JVC for developing solar and thermal power assets, and the next one is Maharashtra government and UK IBC signs MOU. Next one, Mangalyaan capture image of Mars biggest natural satellite Phobos, and next one, Youth Affairs and the Sports Ministry will launch TOPS for junior athletes. Next one, world's largest COVID-19 treatment facility inaugurated in New Delhi, and Intizar Aapka social media campaign by Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board. These are the important events regarding our current affairs. part. Okay, thank you very much, all the best. Okay, bye.